I'm Georgiana at Holistic Life Hub. In the chapter called Life Cycles, we will go through a lot of exercises, techniques which are simple, very efficient and adapted to each and every moment of the year, to each month of the year, but also to the life cycles that we are a part of, our biorhythms, day, night, the seasons. So all the techniques that we will do in the chapter Life Cycles are fitted, adapted and appropriate for each moment of the year, for each month, as I already mentioned, seasonal aspects, so that we will have it as a journey, as a spiritual adventure. We go through all these different aspects that are a part of us that we not all the time are aware of. In this manner we will deepen our ability, for example, to relax, to interact in a much more harmonious way with the environment, but also with the people around us, with the near ones, with the dear ones. We will also learn how to get rid of stress, for example, how we can manage different situations that appear in our life, how actually we can make the best use of the energies in the environment depending on the specific moment of the year. We will also have, for example, some knowledge about astrology, karmic astrology, and how to use more the qualities which are specific, for example, for our zodiacal sign, but also understand better people around us who maybe are born in another zodiacal sign than ourselves. So all the simple, efficient techniques that we will learn in the chapter Life Cycles are meant to help us integrate ourselves in the environment, but also to manage the cycles that are going inside of us in such a good way that we will have harmony, we will be healthy, happy, so that we can have this holistic perspective upon our life and our reality. In the Members Hub, you have all these techniques.